Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper, and I cannot believe that these aloes were just on the side of the street. So, we're gonna plant them real fast.
I can't even believe how beautiful this aloe is. I think it's going to look really stunning next to this rock. Now I have no idea what variety this is. Seems kind of like just a normal run-of-the-mill, can buy it anywhere aloe, but not sure. And it is definitely worth planting. Can't believe that someone would throw this just on this. I mean, it just doesn't make any sense. Just throw it on the side of the sidewalk next to a mailbox. Why don't you? Let's do the other one. Now, I have had plants, other succulents, in these spots before. That's why it's so easy to dig. I've tried a couple different plants actually in these spots. And aloes are pretty easygoing, forgiving plants. They're pretty tough. And then just with any plant, you just want to tuck that soil in around the edges. There we go, that was super quick, super easy. Let's just push the rocks back. Like I said, aloes are super easy to plant. They're very forgiving, very tough plants.
Zena, what do you think of our new aloe? This one is kind of funky looking, but it will correct itself and go back up. Honestly, I could easily see paying, with one this size, I could see that being upwards of $30, depending on what, if you're going to like a Summer Winds of the world, maybe in between $30 and $40. If you're going to a Lowe's or a Home Depot, maybe like 15 or 20 bucks. I mean, depending on the quality of the grower and if it comes with any kind of warranty, but that is a great aloe. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.